Go to the function menu in the bottom menu bar. Tap Users. Tap plus sign icon to add new user. Enter user email. You could choose to enter the email or scan QR code to proceed. If you choose to use QR code, go to the shortcut list and tap Add App User. Tap Smartlink QR code. Scan users as QR code. Tap the door lock. You can tap the text to the right side of the access authentication. Choose the authentication method by using either the biometric verification, facial recognition, or quick pass. If the door lock status setting is enabled, users can turn on the hold open mode by the app. If the app user's access notification is turned on, administrators will receive push notifications whenever a user unlocks the door. Tap the checkbox, set up the time range, if you want to set the access hour. After the door lock authorizaton is completed, tap Confirm. Tap the icon on the right of the door lock to turn on or off authorization. Tap Send. Display showing Authorization Successful, indicating permission has been successfully authorized. Users go to the function menu in the bottom menu bar and tap Keylist. Tap on the door lock after the authorized locks appear. To check user access method and access time, go to the function menu in the bottom menu bar. Tap Users. Tap the user to edit. Tap the door lock. Edit door lock authorization settings. Go to the function menu in the bottom menu bar. Tap Locks. Tap the door lock. Tap User List. Tap the user to edit. Edit door lock authorization settings.